Artificial intelligence for education. How AI is changing the way we learn in the digital age. Education is undergoing a profound transformation, largely driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, AI. AI has begun to reshape the way we learn, offering personalized and adaptive learning experiences that cater to individual needs and preferences. From early childhood education to lifelong learning, AI is changing the educational landscape. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the impact of AI on education, examining its applications, benefits, and the challenges it presents. The role of AI in education. Personalized learning. One of the most significant contributions of AI to education is personalized learning. AI algorithms analyze students' learning styles, strengths, and weaknesses to tailor educational content and pace accordingly. This ensures that students receive a customized learning experience, allowing them to grasp concepts more effectively. Adaptive assessment. AI-powered assessment tools adapt to each student's skill level and learning progress. These assessments are not limited to standardized tests but include interactive quizzes, simulations, and even games. By providing real-time feedback and adjusting the difficulty level, AI assessments promote a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Enhanced teaching assistant. AI-powered virtual teaching assistants can answer questions, provide explanations, and offer additional resources to students 24/7. These virtual assistants reduce the burden on teachers and enhance students' learning experiences. Language learning. AI-driven language learning platforms utilize natural language processing, NLP, to assist learners in mastering new languages. These platforms offer pronunciation feedback, language exercises, and conversation simulations, making language acquisition more engaging and effective. Education accessibility. AI has the potential to bridge educational gaps by making learning accessible to individuals with disabilities. Text-to-speech and speech-to-text technology, for example, assists students with hearing or visual impairments, ensuring inclusivity. Benefits of AI in education. Customized learning. AI's ability to personalize learning experiences benefits students of all abilities. It allows struggling students to catch up while enabling advanced learners to progress at their own pace. Engagement and motivation. AI-driven gamification and interactive content make learning more engaging and enjoyable. Students are more motivated to learn when lessons are presented as challenges or games. Efficiency. AI automates administrative tasks, such as grading, allowing educators to allocate more time to teaching. This efficiency benefits both students and teachers. Data-driven insights. AI collects and analyzes vast amounts of data on student performance. Educators can use these insights to identify areas of improvement, track progress, and make informed decisions about instructional strategies. Accessibility. AI makes education accessible to a broader audience, including remote learners and those with disabilities. It breaks down geographical and physical barriers to learning. Challenges and concerns. Data privacy. As AI systems collect extensive data on students, there are concerns about data privacy and security. Schools and edtech providers must prioritize safeguarding this information and adhere to relevant privacy regulations. Ethical considerations. The use of AI in education raises ethical questions, particularly regarding bias and fairness. AI algorithms can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in the training data. Efforts must be made to ensure fairness and transparency in AI-driven education. Teacher training. Implementing AI in education requires teacher training to effectively integrate AI tools into the curriculum. Ensuring educators are comfortable with and proficient in using AI is essential for successful implementation. Equity. There is a risk that AI-driven education could exacerbate educational inequalities. Students without access to technology or reliable internet may be left behind. Bridging the digital divide is crucial for equitable access to AI-enhanced education. Over-reliance on technology. Over-reliance on AI in education could diminish the importance of human interaction and critical thinking skills. striking the right balance between AI and traditional teaching methods is essential. Case studies. Khan Academy. Khan Academy, an online learning platform, uses AI to provide personalized math instruction. It adapts content based on students' progress, offering additional exercises and explanations when needed. Khan Academy's approach has led to improved math proficiency among students. Duolingo. Duolingo, a language learning app, employs AI to personalize language courses. It adapts lessons based on individual progress and provides instant feedback on pronunciation and grammar. Duolingo's AI-driven approach has made language learning accessible to millions worldwide. Coursera. Coursera, an online learning platform, uses AI to recommend courses to users based on their interests and career goals. Additionally, Coursera offers AI-powered grading and assessment tools for educators, streamlining the learning experience. IBM Watson Education. IBM Watson Education provides AI-driven tools for educators, including virtual teaching assistants that answer students' questions and offer personalized help. These tools reduce the administrative burden on teachers and enhance the learning experience. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing education by making learning more personalized, engaging, and accessible. Its applications span from personalized content delivery and adaptive assessments to virtual teaching assistants and language learning platforms. The benefits of AI in education are numerous, including customized learning experiences, increased engagement, and improved efficiency. However, the adoption of AI in education also comes with challenges and concerns, such as data privacy, ethical considerations, and the risk of exacerbating educational inequalities. To fully harness the potential of AI in education, it is crucial to address these challenges, provide adequate teacher training, and ensure equitable access to AI-enhanced learning opportunities. As AI technology continues to advance, it holds the promise of transforming education on a global scale, providing learners of all ages and backgrounds with the tools they need to succeed in an ever-changing world. The future of education is undoubtedly intertwined with the continued development and integration of artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.